Gusto mong magkaroon ng website, and I applaud you for that, pero wala kang budget. Kaya ba yon? Pwede ba yon? Of course, let's talk about that in this video. Hi guys, I'm Tony and I talk about personal finance, money hacks, tricks, tips, and growing your online business and starting your own online business if you need help. This is part 2 actually of our series na kung wala kang budget, pwede ba akong gumawa ng website? Ito yon. Okay, so part 2 na to. If you have missed part 1, ang ganda ng website na yon kasi it's free. You can have checkout options with that website. I'll link that here and dito sa baba. Today, we are going to talk about a website. They've been here since 2007. 2023 na, nandito pa rin sila. And I have been using them since I graduated college. Hindi na natin pag-uusapan kung kailan yon. And the reason why I got them was for me to be able to feature lahat ng gawa ko in one view. I'm not using them for my products. I am using them actually for my personal services. Again, this is a website that we can create for free. And like what I have told you in the first video, na kapag free ang mga services, may mga slight catch yan. By slight catch, I mean yung ibang services na pwede mo sanang makuha ay hindi mo makukuha dahil nga free. Hindi naman po tayo masyadong mga abuso, di ba? Let's go ahead and talk about this. They are called Weebly. Weebly.com is more of a service-based for me. If you have been using this website for your products, please let me know in the comments below. Kasi personally, I don't use them for my products kasi I find actually Coco Cart better or other more future websites na i-discuss natin. For me, I don't know. Let me know if you think differently. Ang kinaganda sa kanila, ang dali-dali nilang gamitin, ang dali-dali nilang intindihin, ang dali-dali mong makakagawa ng website. This, personally, is better than Coco Cart in terms of the presentation of your website. Kung gusto mo medyo maganda naman yung website mo, and hindi yung parang Coco Cart version na parang form, okay to. Ngayon, mag-step by step tayo on how to use Weebly.com. If you have further questions in the future after this video, please let me know down in the comments below or send me a PM or a DM. I will try to answer as fast as I can. Again, this is totally 100% free. Ang catch lang is, of course, after ng pangalan mo, merong .weebly.com. If you don't want that, I'm sorry, you have to purchase the, I think kahit $10 a month. Meron silang plans, but if you don't mind the .weebly.com, it's free. In the meantime, let's dive into this step-by-step guide on how to create your own free website right now using Weebly. Ngayon punta na tayo sa Weebly.com and then let's sign up. Fill up everything that's need to be filled up here. Sulat nyo lahat and then click continue. And then pili tayo since gusto ko matry itong e-commerce products naman. Let's do this. Then let's write the name of our store. Kunyari na lang, ito test store. Test store ang pangalan ng store. And then fill up yung mga questions kasi they want to know what kind of products you are selling para ma-filter out nila kung ano ba talaga ang kailangan nila i-present sa'yo. So skip muna natin to dahil wala naman tayong address. And then ito ang pinaka-dashboard ng Weebly and isa-isahin na natin siya ngayon. So let's design first our website by clicking design your website and then clicking design now. Now what you can see is nagawa ko na before. So basically meron tayong site design. Pwede kayong pumili ng theme. Depende sa anong brand, color ng gusto nyo. Let's say I want to change my design. Let's just click here, white, black. Mukha naman siyang classy. So let's customize this now. Yes, apply new style para fresh start tayo. Okay, bago nating i-click yung done, makikita nyo sa gilid na pwede kayong alter ng kung ano yun nandito, yun din yun nandito. Okay? So, logo, you can add an image for your logo, upload it, and makikita nyo na may logo na tayo. Ayan. So, ito yung colors. You can play with the colors, customize it. Meron na silang pre-made na colors na nandito, and then you can change the color of the title, and you just click ka lang ng click dito sa gilid para malaman mo kung alin part yung ini-edit mo. Importante po yan. So, if you click black, papalit siya ng black, white, palit siya ng white. So, ikaw nang bahala kung anong klaseng design. So, I'm happy with this for now. You can also change the font of your website. So, ayan siya. So, I don't want inter. Gusto ko medyo, yan. O, diba? Ayan. And then, bold, normal. Ayan. So, everything about the font, you change here. And then, let's click done. And then, now we go to shapes of the button. Pwede mong palitan yung shape ng button. So, ito yon, square, rounded pill. And then, if you are okay or you're happy already, just click done. For the site design, yung ibang pwede mo pang i-edit, hindi mo pwedeng i-edit kasi hindi naman tayo bayad. So, okay na yan. Done. And then, let's now go to the most important part of editing this website, which is yung pinakabuong website mo. So, if we scroll up and down here, makikita mo na marami pa tayong gagawin. So, I want you to realize na kung ano yung nandito sa part na to, yun din ang nagre-reflect dito. So, imagine this as layers, and itong lahat ay layers din. So, header is this one, main banner is this one, yan, ha-highlight naman. Featured items, it will be this one, and newsletters, yan. So, if you are not happy with the position, dito mo siya papalitan. So, let's say the Instagram feed, gusto ko sa pinakataas. Move siya sa pinakataas by dragging it. Ayan, nandito na siya sa taas. So, kung ano yung pagkakasunod dito, yun din yung pagkakasunod dito. And you can also add more things here by clicking the add section. So, if you can see sa add section, featured items, category, events, lahat ng ito, pwede mong ilagay dito. So, I'll give you a sample. Let's say if you want to add just text here sa after nitong Instagram, let's click that text, and then let's just say na gusto kong ayan, palitan natin yung pangalan ng quality drinks, ganyan. O, diba? Distinctive bold, ganyan. And then, let's go back. You can change, again, katulad ng kanina, pwede mong palitan yung layout, yung color, yung background, yung title itself. Ayan. So, all you have to do is click here on the sides. Para paglaro-laruan mo kung anong klaseng design per section yung gusto mong mangyari. Pwedeng black yung background nito, white yung sa taas, pwede yun. So, once you're done, always click done. Kasi baka hindi ma-save, di ba? Main banner, it speaks for itself naman. So, if you want to add pictures, pwede din naman. So, pwede ding slideshow banner. Ibig sabihin yan, sunod-sunod na picture yung gumagalaw. Since kailangan nating magbayad for this feature, wag na lang. Ayan, so pwedeng magpalit ka ng layout. So, ito may picture ka dito. Pwede ka maglagay ng picture. Ito puro text lang. So, it depends on your design or you want to highlight sa customers mo. It's okay kung wala kang pang creativity. All you have to do is just play with this. Okay? Magpindot-pindot ka lang dito. Makukuha mo rin yung gusto mong design ang mangyayari. Footer, it speaks for itself again. Footer is yung pinakababang part, which is this one. Pwede kang magdagdag ng mga gamit like navigation, subscription meaning yung sa email nila. If you don't want anything present pero nandito, all you have to do is click this one. So mawawala siya. Let's say ayaw mo kumuha ng email list, pwede mo i-off. Pero pwede mo din i-on. Yan. So once you're done, click done. Pero bago ang lahat, kung nakikita nyo dito sa footer, merong social media. Ito yon sa baba. So, pwedeng nating mag-connect by clicking connect and then put lahat ng details here. So, let's say facebook.com/freshgrindscafe. And then, done. Yan, lalabas siya dyan. Oh, yan. Naging blue kasi meron tayong nilagay na totoong link. Instagram, same. Copy-paste natin .ph pala ako. .ph. So, pag kinlik yan ng customers, automatically, pupadpad sila sa page mo. And then, once you're done with the layout, the design, the color, or whatever you want to happen, just click OK or done. Footer branding, I don't think pwede mo itong tanggalin unless bumili ka. So, click na lang natin done. So, we're done with the site design. All you have to do is just play with this. I won't deep dive into isa-isahin to kasi baka bukas pa tayo matapos. So, let's click OK or back. And then, now, let's add products to your website. So, add an item to sell. So, let's add an item to sell. And it's either we import items, meaning naka-ready na, so may Excel ka or from a Shopify store or may file ka, pwede mong i-import na lang. Or kung wala, konti lang naman, let's create a new item. Ako wala naman akong item. So, this is a physical product. Okay, and the title, let's say, Iced Americano. Price is, I don't know, 100. Sale, kunyari, gusto mong discounted makita sa website mo, pwede mo dito ilagay. So, let's say 90. Then, description of the product, iced coffee. Pwede mo ding i-edit na i-format ang bold, italize, whatever you want the design to look like. Drop an image here. Let's drag an image here. So, let's say ito na lang yung iced coffee natin dahil matatagalan tayo maghanap ng totoong file. O sige, palitan na natin into iced strawberry latte. Ayan na. You can make the description very, very detailed. So, shipping, it can be pick-up, delivery, local delivery, ikaw bahala. You select, pwede ka mag-set ng location and prep time. So, let's say coffee shop ka, you want to have like 30 minutes before notification. So, pagka-order, 30 minutes ang prep time mo to prepare the products bago ka signal to get a rider or something. Ikaw na bahala kung gusto mong lagay ng cost. It doesn't matter. And then, SEO, this is very important in terms of Google search. Just put here kung anong item name and then kung anong gusto mong title na nakasulat. Let's say, strawberry latte. And then, your brand name. So, pag may nag-search ng strawberry latte, makikita ito mismo. Ayan. Now, let's go to options. So, options, let's say size or color. Let's say size. And then, anong klaseng gusto mo? Drop down, radio, or colors. I want it colors na lang kunyari. And then, option is small, medium, and large. Okay, the next, save option set, size. Okay, don't mind the wrong spelling. Ayan na. So, pwede kang maglagay ng 100. Pag medium, ano na siya? 120. Pag large, 150. Ganyan. And then, once you're done, just double check. Allow your customers to customize your item. Ayan. So, if ever na gusto mong pa-customize ng kunyari gifts, if you have gifts for your products, pwedeng ito. Create your modifier. So, pwede kang magbigay ng option or bigyan mo sila ng text box para malagay nila yung message na gusto nilang masabi. So, once you're done, click done. And then, once we're done, we click save. And then, andyan na yung product natin. We have created a new product. Now, it's time to do the categories. So, yung categories are example, yung ginawa natin kanina is non-coffee drinks, non-coffee, then we get to choose item, then we put that in, and then save. Kung meron ka pang ibang category like coffee, you do that same thing again. Okay? Let's go to options. Ayan na yung options na ginawa natin. Kanina, if you have more options like, I don't know, sugar level, ayan, you can get to add options again. Pero since ginawa na natin to, let's leave without saving. Coupons, if you want to give out coupon codes, ito yon. Say, free drink, and then they get like limit coupon per person, 1 only, start date, expiration date, hanggang June 30 only. Discount is dollar discount, let's say $100 or 100 pesos off, and then let's click save, and then ayan na. Yan na yung promo code. So if a person would type free drink sa website nila, automatically meron sila 100 off. Now, let's go to customer reviews. We don't have this feature kasi bayad to. Item preferences. Pwede mong i-edit na gusto mo nakalagay yung sales or not. Kung gusto mong malagay na low inventory, konti na lang yung stock, orderin nyo na, yan na. Ito yon. So, pwedeng mong tanggalin to, naka-automatic silang nakabukas. Pero if you don't want that, just click edit and then take it out. Orders, na ito naman, makikita mo lahat ng orders na pumasok sa'yo dito. Fulfillment, nandito din. Reports, speaks for itself. Marketing, so email ads, mailing list, segments, nandito na rin lahat. We won't dive into that kasi hindi pa naman tayo magtuturo about dyan. But if you want me to teach you, please let me know down in the comments. Natapos na natin yung general kanina. Let's go to checkout. This is very important kasi dito yung payment option ng mga customers mo. I would recommend na you use PayPal but parang wala silang option to do COD. Tracking tools, ito yung ating Google Analytics, Metapixel. Won't be deep diving into this kasi medyo mahabang gawin to. But again, if you want a part 2 of this, let me know. I'll do it naman. Domain is, of course, kung meron ka ng GoDaddy domain, yung .com mo, pwede mong ilatag dito. So, ito, set up your domain. So, if ayaw mo ng .weebly.com sa iyong website, pwede kang bumili ng domain sa godaddy.com and then I use a domain I own, ang dito mo ilalagay. Pero kung gusto mo sa kanila bumili, ito yung yan, pa-search mo sila kung meron bang domain yan. Or, again, kung ayaw mo bumili pa, ayaw mo pang mag-commit, you can use this. Weeblysite.com pala siya. Weeblysite.com. Ito yung pangalan natin. So, test company. Pwede naman fresh grinds. Palitan natin. Fresh grinds cafe .weeblysite.com. So, let's change that. Ayan na yung magiging domain natin. And then, we're done. Now, if you are happy already at ready ka nang palabas sa public ng iyong website na gawa, you can just click here, publish website, and then mag-go na yan. Live na yan agad. Pero don't worry, if ever kahit live na yan, pwede mo namang i-edit pa rin yung website mo. I hope okay naman ang pag-explain ko and nakagawa kayo ng sarili nyong website. That was my step-by-step guide on how to create a free website using Weebly. And if you have more questions, please let me know down in the comments below, or send me a DM, or follow me on TikTok, IG, Facebook, lahat ng channels na meron ako. Basically, that's about it, and I hope you've learned a lot. And kung hindi, please let me know down in the comments below on how I can improve. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you again soon.